Welcome to today's topic. Today we'll dive into the two important topics in yoga career, that is your market saturation and the financial stability. In this today's world, yoga professionals are in high demand, but it is leading to a saturated market with a fierce competition. Many aspiring yoga professionals find it difficult to set aside in this highly competitive environment. One of the biggest problem people are facing right now is how they can set aside in this saturated market and how they are able to get students to their classes. Hi, this is Anubhav Seth, a yoga therapist with 10 years of teaching experience, and I'm on a mission to train 50,000 people who want to take yoga as a highly rewarding career. In order to overcome this, it is very important that you differentiate your classes with your unique style, with the teaching methodology, and what are the extra services that you offer to your students. If you're able to give a value in your classes, people are going to come to you, because people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care about them. It means you will be able to offer solutions to the problems that people are facing right now. So the best way is to offer yourself in a way that you are able to solve a specific problem. It may be prenatal yoga or a postnatal yoga, or maybe yoga for stress management, or maybe offering online teachers training program. Second problem people are facing right now is regarding the financial stability. Though teaching yoga can be highly rewarding, but it is very important to have your consistent income. So how do you handle that? By offering not only the regular yoga classes, but you can organize workshops, retreats, you can offer an online teacher training program, or you can even offer a therapeutic yoga session, so that you are able to solve the problems that people are facing right now. One more important thing is regarding the financial management. It's very important that you know you are able to manage your income and expenses so that you can invest for your future as well. And the best way to do this is by understanding the market and providing the effective solution to people. So by understanding your own methodology and also understanding what actually people want, you will be able to have a fair pricing policy, because many yoga professionals feel that they are not charging a lot. So by offering a lot of value in your classes, people will be able to have a good connection with you. We organize a regular yoga orientation session where we cover about how you can create your own unique selling proposition after you complete your YCB Ayush yoga certification, how you can diversify your income, and how you can get yourself certified under the Ministry of Ayush step by step. You can click on the link below and register for the same. If you are someone who wants to take yoga as a highly rewarding career, or someone who is already into yoga teaching, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you get all recent updates. Thank you.